If you're having problems with water discoloration or seeing unwanted stains, it could be due to the presence of metals in your pool water. With Metal Cure, you can treat and prevent unsightly stains. As a part of your pool's weekly maintenance, add 4 to 8 ounces of Metal Cure for every 10,000 gallons, depending on the amount of metals in your water. Turn on your filtration system and pour Metal Cure around your pool's perimeter. Keep your water circulating continuously for at least 48 hours for the best results. For routine prevention against stains and scale, use 16 ounces for every 10,000 gallons. For pools showing signs of fresh staining or water discoloration from metals, use up to 32 ounces for every 10,000 gallons. Water discoloration from metals should clear up in just 24 hours. However, stubborn stains can take up to a week to vanish. Wait to superchlorinate the pool for about a week after you've applied Metal Cure for it to be most effective. If you have any questions about metal staining or Metal Cure, contact your local Great Escape team. We're always happy to help.